Guys, we are in Umhlanga. This is Ford Scamster. We have a Stormtrak. Guys, this is a very nice car. Wild track, Stormtrak. I think this is the nice one, if I may put it, especially at the back, guys. Ngibona khona sengathi umehluko omningi kakhulu kuyizinto ezikhona ezifakiwe. Ama-rim apendiwe kamnandi athi ngibuka lana, and khona this touch of red okuchaza ukuthi it's a Stormtrak. It's a nice car, guys. It's a Ranger 2022 model. Bayidime kamnandi, bofuna ukuthi uthwala phezulu. Anginankinga. And then ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngicahla mthi balekile ngoba kunye niyakwazi ingemuva. So at the back, guys, amazing. Iyayivulekela, it's a security door, iyayivalekela. Ngaphambili uyakwazi ukuyivula. Uhleli udriver ivulekela, yabo. And into ekade ngiyibuka futhi eright kakhulu. Isikapa si-light ngisho ngawazi ibona. Ucabangile ku-Ford, you need to consider, guys. Kade sine client si-compare between i-GTI and the Stormtrak. This car is 700,000. And i-GTI you 600,000. So umehluko 100,000. And i-GTI, guys, abantu abaningi will drive for a shorter period of time, and this will drive it for a very long time. So you need to be very, very savvy with your money. Yes, you may think ukuthi le moto iyabiza, but in the long run, nezinto ezozenza futhi is very safe, iphezulu imoto, and ungatshela wena ukuthi uyasave if uthenga mhlawumbe noma i-GTI, but i-insurance izokubamba because i-insurance izoba high. Here insurance is less because it's less risk of a car. So you think I show so uzongena ngaphakathi just because ngaphakathi kancane nje. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngizonothile. Okay, guys, singaphakathi kuyona i-Stormtrak. It's a nice car, guys. Everything is here. I must say, everything is here. This car doesn't disappoint, guys. Uzamile Ford multifunction steering. It's a 2-liter TDI. It's a bio-turbo. A touchscreen radio. So it's dining lena ngicabanga ukuthi this manje and it's very comfortable. The seat lena, guys, it's very nice, and uyakwazi uyicontroller DSG, guys. Uyakwazi ukuthi ihambele imoto enankinga, and in the flock lena, unfortunately it's not a 4x4, it's a 4x2. It's a push start button, guys, push start button, and for my keyboard there's no problem. Stormtrak, it's a nice car, guys. Most of the stuff is here, and you dashboard foot. Yeah, so I think Lana, the client is over happy cool. So guys, please think twice motor is last for a very long time. So I think we will see Lena Dr. Mabas waiting then. Guys, we move us Stormtrak. It's a nice car, guys. Think you want Lana. You move your guys to V12 lana, you can charge some of your stuff. And your guys will put stamp of Shefa, Shine Bungu, Jenga, Nandi, Shefa Nandi, a Conin down. And you think you want to move a Kulumanga, Kulgazi, and then tap your hand by a long distance. Frukpegi Ipuzo was the biggest like guys, Kumnandi. It's no problem. Guys, this is the full package for my put it. It's nice, and you can do so much. And also, driver, it's very comfortable. So one thing I issue, guys, lang move. Mnandi. It's a leather and then Ushama. Guys, this is a very nice car. You need to think. I'm parking house as I think we would say I don't know towards our own name, especially because in some of the Makaya koni inkomo kona imist and the ingozi bese nzeka if uhamba ngemoto kanje you're not likely ukuthi uzoshona noma mhlawumbe you would be paralyzed because imoto iphezulu izokwazi ukuthi ikugweme lokho ukuthi ungabi nenkinga mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi usuluza your life uyabona ngoba iphezulu lezi moto eziphansi zizama ukuthi sigweme. Guys, I know ukuthi we want to save money and stuff, but impilo ibalulekile ngaso sonke isikhathi. Yes, guys, please, we're trying to push ipage lethu please subscribe, yes, and na inamba ikhona, and just press that button, subscribe, kube mnandi, especially kube mnandi, support bonke. Thank you very much.